Hey guys, Dr. Noah. I want you to save the date. It is Wednesday, May 18th, 6:30 to 7:30 at the office, 120 LaFonte Way. Dr. Mike and I are doing our last wellness workshop presentation before the summer. And we're going to give you and outline 11 tips for you to create the healthiest, greatest summer you've ever had. And at the end, we're going to have a discussion so we can add to those 11. And let me give you an example of what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about why you need to get your hand in some dirt. We're going to talk about the best and most important summer supplements. We're going to talk about the right foods to eat during the summer. And another topic we're going to talk about is the safest and best sunscreens. And at the end of the lecture, we have a gift for everyone who attends the lecture to help you have the best summer ever. So be there or be square, mark it on your calendar, bring a friend, and we will see you then. And as always, be awesome and never unawesome. Bye.